Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about something that might sound controversial. Stop doing DSA in 2026. Stop doing DSA in 2026. Yeah, you heard that right. If you're still grinding 300 plus lead code questions, memorizing patterns and hoping one day your dream company will call you might be wasting your time because the game has changed and most people haven't realized it yet. Let me ask you something. How many people do you know who solved hundreds of DSA problems but still struggle to build real systems? Or worse, they crack interviews, join companies, and then feel completely lost on the job. That's because DSA was never the end goal. It was just a filter, a way for companies to quickly shortlist candidates. But in 2026, with AI writing code, optimizing solutions, and even explaining algorithms, that filter is becoming weaker because now anyone can solve a DSA problem with AI assistance. So the question is no longer, can you solve this problem? The real question is, can you build something real? Let's be honest. Today's tool like AI copilots can suggest optimal solutions, generate code instantly, and even debug your logic. So if AI can already solve most DSA problems, why would companies still hire you just for that? They won't. Instead, they are looking for engineers who can design scalable systems, understand trade-offs, work with distributed architectures, and integrate AI into real-world applications. In short, they want problem solvers, not just problem grinders. So what should you do instead of blindly grinding DSA? Start learning system design early. Don't wait until you have 3 to 5 years of experience. Start now. Understand how APIs work, how databases scale, what happens when your app gets 1 million users. Even simple questions like how you would design WhatsApp or how you would store millions of messages matter far more today. Build real-world projects, not tutorial projects, not copy-paste GitHub repositories. Build something that solves a real problem, a URL shortener with analytics, a chat system with real-time updates, or a mini e-commerce product. When you build, you learn things DSA never teaches. Failures, debugging, production issues, and performance bottlenecks. That's real engineering. Use AI as a partner, not a crutch. Don't ignore AI. Leverage it. Use it to speed up coding, explore multiple approaches, and understand concepts faster. But always ask yourself, do I understand what's happening under the hood? Because engineers who combine AI with deep understanding will dominate. Focus on thinking, not memorizing. Most people fail because they memorize patterns, but interviews and real job reward thinking. Instead of asking what is the solution, ask why the solution works, what the trade-offs are, and what happens at scale. That mindset shift is everything. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying DSA is useless, you still need it. But here's the truth. DSA should be 20 to 30% of your preparation, not 100%. If you spend all your time there, you're optimizing for a game that is slowly disappearing. The future belongs to engineers who can think in systems, build real projects, and use AI effectively, not just solve isolated problems on a whiteboard. So if you're preparing in 2026, stop chasing perfection in DSA. Start building, start designing, start thinking like an engineer because that's what actually get you hired. And more importantly, that's what will make you valuable. Thank you.